How to play Mary Had a Little Lamb intermediate level 1. Now in this level, you're going to be playing chords, but you're not just going to be playing simple chords, you're going to be playing inverted chords. Now if you don't know what an inverted chord is, check the link in the description below. You'll understand what an inverted chord is. Right now, the short code or the cheat code to how to understand inverted chord is, if this is Do, what is this? This is no longer Do. You look at my hand. My fingers are now separated by 2 notes and 1. Before it was 1 1, but now it is 2 1. Any note that is in front of the two notes separating my hand is the name of the note. So this is the name of the note. This is Mi, Do Re Mi, Do Re Mi. So this is the Mi chord. But if I was like this is the note in front of the 2. So, and this is the saw chord. So this will be the saw chord. So you just look for the notes in front of the 2. So that's the shortcut for knowing inverted chords. So in the last lesson we did Mary had a little lamb. Now Mary is Mi, Mi. What you want to do in this level is to make sure that Mi is the last note by the right of your hand. So what Do, and we are playing the Do chord. How can we make this Mi be the highest note on the keyboard? Is to invert it and play this inversion of Do. This is Do, Mi, So. For the normal Do, all you have to do is to bring this So down here. So bring it down here. This is your second inversion of your Do chord. So Mary had a little lamb. So Mi, Mi, Mi is at the top. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. So you go from here. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb, Mary. So did you see what I did? I went from little lamb, that's Mi. Mi is the highest. Mi, So, So. So that So will be the highest, I use this inversion of my Do chord. So it's do you understand? Mi, So, So. This is the Mi. Mi at the highest of the Do chord. So at the highest of the Do chord. We could have as well just stayed here. Little lamb. But to obey the rule that So has to be at the highest, you have to jump quickly. Another way you can do it is do something like this. If your hand is big enough, hold on. So what chord is this? I don't think there's a name for this chord. I'm holding my So, Do, So, and it's the Do chord, but the Mi is not part of it. That's it. It's your Do chord. Okay, so that's that part. Then the later part of the song will be Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Remember, take note, I'm ending like this with the first inversion because the song ends with a Do, and Do has to be the highest part. You don't go ending like this, you end up like this. So the song is Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. So that's how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb intermediate level 1. Intermediate level 2, we will add our left hand to that mix and we'll see how it goes. Thanks.